Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase value proposition with Netflix step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the concept of value proposition. A value proposition outlines the unique benefits that a service provides to its customers. Identify what differentiates Netflix from its competitors. Consider factors such as content variety, original programming, and user experience. Next, conduct market research to gain insights into customer preferences. Utilize analytics tools to track viewing habits and trends. This data will help identify which features and content are most valued. Refine your messaging to highlight these unique selling points. Focus on the benefits of binge watching and ad-free viewing. Emphasize the convenience of on-demand access across multiple devices. Develop a targeted marketing strategy based on customer segmentation. Create campaigns that speak directly to the interests of different user groups. Invest in high-quality original content to enhance brand perception. Original shows and movies can create a sense of exclusivity. Collaborate with popular creators and renowned filmmakers. Highlight partnerships with popular brands for promotions and events. Enhance the user experience by improving the platform's interface. Ensure the streaming service is easy to navigate. Implement personalized recommendations based on user behavior. This will make users feel understood and valued. Consider offering flexible pricing plans to cater to various budgets. Introduce tiered subscriptions or bundles with exclusive content. Make announcements about new releases to build anticipation. Gather regular feedback through surveys and social media interactions. Use this feedback to continually refine your offerings. Finally, measure the impact of these strategies on subscription growth and retention. Analyze metrics to ensure ongoing improvement in the value proposition. By following these steps, Netflix can effectively enhance its value proposition. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.